Many teens look forward to the freedom of driving, and if you're like me, you may worry that your young driver isn't ready for the responsibility. Hello, I'm Susan Crawford for Children's Mercy Hospitals and Clinics. Get ready! The experts at Children's Mercy explain how to prepare your teen for getting behind the wheel. Like many teens, 17-year-old Rachel likes to be on the road. She's the first to admit there are distractions everywhere.
Like when there's a bad song on the radio, or when your friends are calling, you want to talk to them, but you have to try your hardest to ignore that and move on.
She's learned firsthand what can happen when distracted. Rachel was sent spinning down the highway when another driver took his eyes off the road for just seconds.
The guy in front of me slammed on his brakes to bend over to grab something.
Well, this is a several thousand-pound machine going at a very high rate that actually becomes a potential source of death.
The Children's Mercy physician says car wrecks are the leading cause of death among teens. Dr. Lynch recommends parents establish some ground rules. Allow only one passenger at a time during his first year of driving. The radio, CD player, or other music devices are major distractions. Cell phone calls are for emergencies only, and no text messaging. Discourage eating or drinking while driving. Most important, be a role model.
Show them responsibility, how to drive, responsible driving, not to be distracted or doing too much as you're driving down the road.
And don't worry about distractions such as cell phones or the radio or stuff, because in a matter of seconds, it could be all gone. And to wear your seatbelt, it saved my life.
It's important to talk with your teen and not at your teen when discussing driving. Ask questions and explain your concerns. Most important, listen to his answers. Have frequent conversations about improvements, concerns, and safety. This will keep the expectations well known. For more expert advice, visit our website at www.childrensmercy.org.